less than 1%, much less than 1%.
Sila na po ang deaths?
11, at that number has not changed since nagkaroon ng 10 na nag-announce tayo ng outbreak, and we only just had one additional one after that.
Last na lang po kami, may kadalasan nito yung strategy natin kasi sobrang pinag-isapan po natin, like yung magbubukas ng health centers during weekends. Meron bang bago na strategy na gagawin ninyo to combat them?
Before we were thinking, 2 weeks lang open ang weekends, pero ngayon we decided open na talaga ang health centers on weekends. Kahit na nga pababa ang cases, we should keep the health centers open because we realize, based on this experience, ang dami pala talaga pumupunta sa health center ng weekend. So that is some realizations that we had, that we really should keep our health centers open. Weekends, we have a fever lane now, not just the caregiving, but the fever lane. So everybody that has symptoms, automatic, mabilis siyang titignan, bibigyan ng attention. And then, of course, we have accelerated the interventions on the level of the barangays. So we have met with our barangays again, at lahat sila tinanong ko ano ba yung mga needs ninyo. Then they gave us a wish list. Yung mga walang mga essential needs for nesting and all of that, the city has provided for them. So, tuloy-tuloy lang. And of course, we are monitoring our barangays to make sure that they are really complying with the 4 o'clock habit, which was launched by the DOH. Pero before that, meron na rin tayo doon. And we have also met with all of the parents through our school's division's office. At lahat ng mga magulang na proyekto na rin. And I think we are now adopting a whole of city approach. I think everyone is now very much aware of the problem of their death. And I think awareness is the key towards addressing this problem.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mayor.
Thank you so much.
Pero yung test kits, ma'am, okay naman yan?
So okay naman. Oh, thank you so much. At nag-order na rin ako. Kasi sabi nila, okay, inaubos na yung para sa August, September sa rainy season. Pero maagap naman tayo kumilos, procure na tayo ng additional pa for the rainy season. Kasi I'm expecting the whole year we will have this problem because of